Hey guys, how you doing? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a hunting sniper hack. So this will give you unlimited stuff in the game. So as you can see guys, we're just going to let the game load up. And as you can see, I'm not doing too well, but in the mod menu, we can actually enable unlimited gold. So I'm going to go ahead and enable this just to show you guys that it actually works. So yeah, this is not really my type of thing, but this mod menu is legit, so I have to share it. Because a lot of them get like outdated and stuff, but let's see if our gold starts to increase. And no, it isn't increasing, but our gold coins. But there we go, it's actually working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. It works for iOS and Android, so it's super cool. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So the first thing we're going to do is go onto the website. So that's going to be tweakmod.com. Okay, so this is the website where we can get the Hunting Sniper mod. So I'm going to go to the search bar and just type it in, and as you can see, it says Hunting Sniper. So go ahead and press install. So now we have to do a verification. So what we have to do is download 2 apps and complete the instructions. It's going to be 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and load here. As you can see, so yeah, it's just loading right now, so we'll just give it a second to load up. So yeah, Hunting Sniper is not really for me, but now that I can be rich in the game, I'm very interested in playing it. So let's just give it a second for this to load. So basically guys, it's going to load up, and it's just going to say that we have to verify. So you can see it says missing files, so we need to download some of these apps. They're all from the App Store, and they're completely free. So this is just the verification process. It's the last step. So as you can see, we got all the apps here. So we got TikTok, Travel Town, Misplay. So you just press on it. It'll bring you to the store. This one, Travel Town, you got to reach like level 10. So just press on it, and it will bring you straight to the Play Store, guys. So just download it and do that. So I'm going to see you later, but be sure to subscribe. Just make sure that you download 2 of these apps, complete the instructions, and then you should have the Hunting Sniper mod on your device. So it's pretty cool, guys. It actually works. I don't know what apps you're going to have, but these are just the ones that showed up for me. So I'm going to see you guys later, but definitely go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you like Hunting Sniper, because this is super crazy and it totally works. So I'm going to see you in another video, and peace out, bro.